Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how to add single or multiple users to Office 365 using CSV file format. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to log into your Office 365 account, and then you will need to open Exchange Admin Center by clicking on this admin option. Okay, from this Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you will just need to expand that users tab, and then you will need to click on active users. Now, if you need to add a single user, then you can use the option of add a user, this option. Just click on this option. Enter the required details like first name. In my case, I am entering like Manish Kumar. Okay, in display name, I am using the same. Username, I am creating Manish. And then password settings. See, I have two options: auto generate password or let me create password. Okay, I may use both of the options as per my requirement. In my case, I am using auto generate password, and then require the user to change their password when they first log in. I can use this option if I need the users to change their password when they are logging to their account first time. I can also use this option to send password, and then here I can enter the email ID where the password of this ID will be sent. Okay, I can choose these options as per my requirement, and then I will click on next button. So in the next option, it is saying product licenses. So I will need to assign license to my users. It's up to me. If I need to assign, I can select the users. I can select the license. In my case, I am assigning Office 365 E3 license. See, I have 25 licenses available, and I have total 25 licenses, and out of it I have already consumed 18 licenses. Okay, so after doing this, you may also create user without product license, but that is not recommended. In my case, I will need to assign license to my user, so I will assign Office 365 E3, and then we'll click on next button. From the next option, there are roles. I can assign the admin roles if required to this user, or I can choose what roles we need to assign this user. Okay, after assigning the roles if required, you will need to click on next button, and then just click on finish adding. Okay, that's all. We have successfully added a user in our Office 365 environment. So in case if you will need to add multiple users, like you have 100 of users you will need to add to your Office 365 account, then it would not be convenient to add a user one by one. So it is recommended to use this feature, add multiple users. From this, you will see two options: download a CSV file with headers only, or download a CSV file with header and sample information. So in my case, I am choosing download a CSV file with header and sample information. It will give us a CSV file. We will see what is there in CSV file. See, we will need to add our users information that we need to create. See, there is first name, last name, display name, job title, department, office number, phone number. You can change these requirements as per your requirement. Username, you will need to add. In my case, I am just changing the MyCR. Okay, so I will create one user with name Krish, as it was in my sample data. You can change the username as per your requirement, whatever you need to keep. For example, I am just using the database, auto generated database. Okay, so I will create 5 users at a time, and these are their information. In case I can update the informations as per requirement, I will save as the file. Let's save this file to desktop with the name users. Yes. Okay, so then I will need to browse that CSV file. We'll need to go back to our desktop and we'll find users. Just a minute, we may not have saved the file in required format. We will need to choose CSV from there and then close the CSV. Now browse the CSV file and then click on verify. You see, we have successfully verified. Your file looks good. Then click on next button. And then see, there is option sign in allowed or sign in blocked. Choose how you want your user to be imported. By settings, the sign in status, you can set the sign in status. Product license, you can assign the license whichever you want. So in my case, I am assigning Office 365 E3 license. Okay. Also, if you don't want to assign, you can just click on this option. This will create all these users without assigning a license to them, but in my case I will need to assign licenses. So just assign the license, then click on next button. Okay, so see, 5 users already created. You can download the results. Also, you can email the results file to these peoples. So what this file will contain, this file, if you download this file, it will contain the informations like username and passwords. You can share this file with anyone who needs this file, or you can manually send the usernames and password to them. If you download this file, I can show you after downloading. See, I have downloaded the file. If I open this file, it will contain username and passwords of these mailboxes. Okay, so that's all. Hope you like this video. Thank you.